guys, welcome back to my channel, Maddcrafty. Today we're making a DIY Pom Pom Wreath. Besides the yarn and glue, I got everything else at the Dollar Tree, so this is also a really cheap craft. You will need Okay, yes, it looks a little wonky, but it just needs a good fluffing. Just call me Sweeney Todd. So now is when you go and make a bunch of these. And just like that, you're done. So now's the time where you can add your ribbon, your bows, your figurines, whatever you want to do. I would love to see all of your wreaths, so please tag me at Maddcrafty on Instagram or email me at info@maddcrafty.com and send me what you made. I'm gonna go hang this up and I'll see you next time.